I am now.
Come on, baby. Stand up. You can do it. You can do it. Oh. So how long has it been?
A little bit. Would you guys stop bickering?
I tried to put the folder down so you could go over and look and stick with it.
How far away are you supposed to stay? Mama?
As far back as Lena's comfortable. She trusts us a great deal. She was even coming up to me, just before she gave birth, so she trusts us. We could probably walk up to her, but you know what? Give her some time.
I know. In that, like, Horses for Dummies thing, it was like, when your horse gives birth, wait at least half an hour so mom and baby can get acquainted.
Oh, it's getting close.